Call First Republic at 718-380-0006 and eliminate the middleman.
Helping the folks out there in the tri-state area, whether they're looking to refinance, whether they're looking to make a purchase. And right now on the line with me, I have Miss Smith, Annette Smith. How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm fine.
We found out that you used First Republic Mortgage Bankers on a previous situation. Could you explain to the entire tri-state area what took place with First Republic Mortgage Bankers and yourself?
Well, I heard them on the radio, heard them on Link Up.
Okay.
And I called, and someone got back to me and gave them the information, and I had Rajin was working with me.
Okay.
And we went through the process, and we just closed off on Friday.
And what process was that? You made a purchase or?
Yeah, I did a refinance.
Oh, you did a refinance?
Yeah.
Wow. Congratulations, and thank you very much for using First Republic Mortgage Bankers.
Yes.
And Rajan was your loan officer, right?
Yes.
Wow, Rajan, always helping the ladies, man. I respect that. Rajan, inside the studios, would you like to go ahead and add a little bit more?
I'd love to talk to Annette a little bit. Hey, Annette, how you doing?
I'm good.
All right, dear. Well, like Annette said, she gave us a call, and she said that, she had some bills, and she really needed to refinance. And, I took a look at the credit, spoke to her for a little bit, and says, okay, listen, Annette, what I need to do is just have you come into the office. We'll sit down. We'll go over everything. We'll see what needs to be paid off, what the rate is going to be and everything. She came in. We were able to lock her in at a 6%, 30-year fixed mortgage. We were able to pay off, Annette, how much was it? $40,000? $45,000?
I think it was about 50.
$50,000 in bills, right?
Yeah.
And she was still able to get a little something in her pocket because they wanted to do some work on the house.
Right.
But it's amazing to know, Annette, you could be a witness to this. We're on the radio each and every day that we're here telling folks that have credit card debts, how important it is to call us up and find out about refinancing so that they could pay off those debts, right?
Yes.
Let me ask you a question. Compared to when you have had all those debts and had to make those payments per month, how do you feel now that all you have to pay really is that mortgage?
Yeah, it's like a big burden has been lifted off. It really is good.
Wow, I'm sure 50,000. That is a lot.
And let me ask you, coming straight from you, how did it feel every month when you had to make payments to all these credit card companies? Was it
Not
tough?
easy. It was stressful. I mean, I just keep thinking, oh my God, let me just get you another bill. Let me just do this.
and it felt like, the money that you made, it's like you didn't even see it,
like
right?
I owe more than what I made, and it really wasn't working out. It was just, So I'm really glad I called you guys.
Wow, that is real big. In New York City, Lynette made the phone call to 718-652-6200. The number, 718-652-6200, where she spoke to Rajan, who's inside the studios right now. And she did a refinance, got rid of about $50,000 worth of
credit card
bills.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And still was able to put some money in her pocket for her personal use, whichever she chose to. And she made the call, 718-652-6200. And everyone out there, if you're in this situation, you definitely could be helped here at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. 718-652-6200. Any other?
Yes, definitely. Annette, let me ask you a question. As being someone that was in that situation, right? What would you say to those that are out there right now that have these credit card bills and they're starting to pile up? What would you say to them?
Don't be like me and wait that long. Give Rajan a call.
And you know what? Let me tell you something. Honestly, Fata, it wasn't a snap your finger kind of easy process, right? Annette?
I'm sure.
But,
it took time, but listen, we worked together. And at the end result was she was able to pay off the credit cards, and she's able to put herself in a much, much better situation than what she was in. And that's the thing that we like to talk about, Fata. And Annette heard us on the radio talking about it, and she took action. She called in, she found out what the possibilities were, what the options were, And she's able now, at the end of it, to look back and say, well, listen, I'm happy I called in and I was able to take care of my situation, right?
Definitely.
And I'm sure there's other people that are listening to you, Annette.
Yeah.
And I'm glad, and I thank you for coming on and sharing your situation, because there's many others just like you that are out there that are skeptical and that are wondering, can First Republic help us? Is it possible? And
Yes.
you are a true testament to that, right?
Yes, they can.
Thank you very much, Annette, for being a true testimonial here on Link Up Radio 93.5. And we definitely respect that, okay?
Okay.
Enjoy
you,
the
dear.
rest of your
Bye-bye.
day.
Good luck.
Thank you, dear.
All right, definitely. That's Lynette, and she used the First Republic Mortgage Bankers with my good friend Rajan, who is inside the building. And folks, Rajan can definitely help you out there. But the only way is by making a call right now. 718-652-6200. 718-652-6200. What's the rundown with the FHA refinancing rate right now,
Right
Rajan?
now is 5.875%. We've still got that. I mean, we're actually very kind of fortunate right now. The market is still stable, waiting for tomorrow to see what's going to happen.
We don't want to wait
But
for
listen, let me tell you something. We don't know what is going to happen after that. It might go up because we don't know who's going to be in office, right?
Exactly.
And crazy things can happen. So, folks, guess what? First Republic has still got under 6%. We've got 5.875. The APR is $6.70. I'm sorry, APR is 6.72, and the cost per thousand is $5.92. Basically, what I'm trying to say is you've got a chance to get under 6%. And your credit score doesn't have to be in the 700s. We understand past credit problems. You know what? Listen, if you had a past bankruptcy or you had a past foreclosure, we take a look at your full situation. Don't think because your credit scores are in the 5s that you're eliminated from this program. This is an FHA program, and it's there to help you out. If you're like Annette, who've got credit card problems, if you've got student loans, you've got car payments, even if you're looking to get out of an adjustable right now, if you're coming in January and your rates are going to adjust and you need to get out of that, guess what? You could call First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Call me live in the studio right now. Speak with me off the air at 718-652-6200. We'll go over all the details, see how we can help your situation. But you need to take action. You need to get the help like how Annette did. Don't listen to us talking on the radio and don't react to it. Pick up the phone. Find out how you can change your situation, change your financial status right now, and put yourself in a much better situation.
718-652-6200. That's 718-652-6200.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.